Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing something different. I'm doing Bakugan. This isn't my other 10. Here's my 10. Here's my other 10 right there. See? This is the blue one. Got this from my coworker today. Yes, I literally just got home. I got off at 3. Didn't get home till 4:40 something. So yeah. I did some bay hunting. Didn't get that. I got this Bakugan little set. You'll see this later on. I ordered these online. Got these today. Wasn't expecting these guys in today. So yeah. Well, actually, I kind of did. But yeah, stay tuned for. There's going to be 4 unboxings today. Today's the 2nd. And this will be up today, probably. Yeah, today. This one at least will be. Oh god, no! Let's close these up. Since yeah, okay. Sorry if you hear my cat. She's in heat still. Okay, let's put these back in here. Let's put out a gate. I'm sure the gate cards and the cards and stuff like that. Here's one. Here's the other. And I also have a few ability cards. Okay, 3 gate cards and a few abilities. I'm just going to go through these pretty fast. I haven't played this in the gate card game in a long time. So yeah. Let's roll out this guy. I already have this guy, but it's good to have 2. Let's see, so this is a Dragonoid. I forgot the name of this one. This is 1st season, 2nd season, I'm guessing. This one's in better shape. Yeah. Oh god. Okay, let's put him right there. Let's go. And Aquas. That's Pyrus, Aquas. Whatever her name is. So I got her. I have the original anime accurate one. Yeah. Okay. Let's go with a Darkest, I think. There is a second one down below. Little area. Let's roll. A Gorham. Darkest Gorham. A gorgeous little Gorham. Actually, here's a close-up of each one. This one's in a lot better shape than mine is. This is, he painted this one, markered it. Yeah, I have this one. This is, whatever this one is called. This is season 1, season 2. Okay, Darkest. And this is Tigra. And this one is messing up, so yeah. It's a pretty old magnet. Okay, hold up. Let's roll out the next one. This is a V1. This is a V1 too. V1. Oh god. Fear Ripper. This is one of my favorites. V1 V Ripper. A pretty good thing to my collection. Okay. There we go. This is the Tigrera, Darkest Tigrera. 300G, 360 Gs. This one is 650. This one is 450 for this one. This one is 440. The darkest one is 390 Gs. And whatever his name is and her name is 440 Gs. And these two are gonna be the. I think this is the. Oh, I know. These are pretty cool to my collection. I never had these guys. I've got this one. This is season 2, I think. No, this is season. Yeah, season 2, 3. This is the same one. This is the Chaos. So I know. The next one is. Abolish Dragoon. This is 500 Gs. Yeah, 500 for him. And another Dragonoid. You'll see a few of these guys. Actually. There we go. And this is a Chaos. Oh god. Go. Go on. Okay. Yeah, this one's a bit used. Chaos version. So yeah. Chaos. Let's go down to the second round. There's a few more. This one, here's some, and I have this one, but I lost it for right now. This is a better, a actually working V1 Dragonoid, original Dragonoid. Yeah, this is the 520 Gs for this one. Another Dragonoid. Let's see how many Dragonoids I have. And Dragonoid, if you guys don't know, Dragonoid is my favorite Bakugan. Let's go with Chaos or whatever it is called. Yeah, this is season 2. Season 2, season 3. Forgot his name. 670 Gs. I have this one too. This one's a bit different color. This one is 310. This is season 1. Let's get this one. Oh, I don't know this one. Oh no, this is this is the evolution of that one, I think. Yeah, this one is different. This is an upgraded one, I think. This is 450. Actually, this is different. Let me look at this one again. If you know, let me know in the comment section below. If it's this one is Naga. I think this might be a Naga. I'm not sure. Yeah, I forgot about this one. This is that V1. This is the B? Yeah, I think this is the B one. Yeah. Or no, this is the elephant one. Another V1. And V2s now. I think I had this one as a kid. Yeah. Well, where is it? This is the one, Season 1. Yeah, season 1. Wait, this one was, I forgot to say, this one was 300 G's, okay. And I think this one, and the next one is a anime accurate one, I think. Okay. Okay, there we go. Okay. I think, no, I don't think so. This is a V2. This is a 310 V2 Bakugan. So yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. Actually, let me take all these out to show you. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this. And goodbye.